Peel off the pre-cut 3D transfer design. Place it onto the clothing or fabric that needs to be transferred. Cover it with a layer of fabric or high-temperature positioning film. Set the temperature to 160 degrees C and press for 3 seconds. Then flip the item and press for 15 seconds. Note, when pressing t-shirts, make sure that there is only one layer of fabric over the transfer design after flipping it. This prevents the fabric from being too thick and causing insufficient pressing. Wait for it to cool. Check the firmness of the transfer, and if needed, adjust the temperature or pressing time to achieve the best result. Please make sure you have watched the complete video and understood all the points. If you have any questions, please contact our technical staff.